is yun na, number 3 is your local bank account. Bakit ba kailangan natin ng bank account? Number 1 is, kailangan mo ng bank account kasi nga, dito mo isi-save yung mga earnings mo. If ever na babayaran ka ng client mo, kailangan ka ng, syempre kailangan mo ng pera na lalagyan ng pera mo. So, kailangan mo ng bank. So ano bang mga banks na ina-accept sa pagtrabaho mo, tatrabaho mo or online? So, actually, all of the banks are okay, guys. No problem about that. So, ito yung mga banks natin sa local. You can use PDO, Landbank, RCBC, DBP. Any banks will do. Basta, ang importante may bank account ka. But, for me, I started with, sa side ko, I started with East West Bank. Kasi yung East West Bank, meron siyang 100 pesos lang na maintaining balance siya. 100 pesos lang na maintaining balance, which is good as a start kasi nga if wala ka pa talagang pera, wala ka pa lang budget na or di mo pa afford yung usually kasi nasa mga 500 to 2,000 pesos yung mga maintaining balance sa mga ibang banks, like I don't know if sa BDO, hindi ko alam eh, pero I think sa BDO ang maintaining balance nila is nasa mga 2,000 or 500. Basta sa BPI din, siguro nasa mga 500 pesos 500 pesos din. So, kung wala ka talagang budget to start, I think you should go to East West Bank. The good thing about sa East West Bank is kung mag-withdraw ka doon or may bank transaction ka is wala ding tao masyado dun sa bank nila. So, yun, 100 pesos lang yung ano mo, yung maintaining balance, which is good. Yes, you can also use this virtual wallets na tawag. I think you're familiar with GCash and Paymaya. If hindi ka pa familiar nito, hindi siya bangko but virtual wallets mo lang, meaning you can have money or pera, pwede mo rin i-store dyan, pwede mo dyan i-save and bibigyan ka nilang card sa it's either GCash or Paymaya, then you can withdraw to any ATMs available. Ang GCash is may transaction fee nila is 20 pesos. Ang Paymaya is transaction fee nila is around 15 pesos. Okay, so GCash is a Globe product and ang Paymaya is a Smart product. So legit yan sila, guys. Ngayon actually may GCash ako, may Paymaya din ako. So the good thing about this Paymaya, I mean sa GCash lang, experience ko is if may sweldo ka na from your client, example from PayPal, then i-send mo from send ng client mo from their PayPal to your PayPal. Then if mag-withdraw ka from PayPal to your GCash, it will only take siguro mga 1 to 2 seconds. Then darating na yung pera mo sa card mo and then you can withdraw. The same thing din sa Paymaya mo. So it's really good having this virtual wallets as well. So next, if you have some questions regarding with how to sign up with GCash, you can just simply Google it. But there are three easy ways. So nakita nyo dyan, um, three easy ways to start your GCash. So yun to, mag-download ka lang sa GCash app, then i-dial mo yun yung asterisk 143 sharp, then you can message them via sa Facebook Messenger. Kasi the way ka mag-register sa GCash is example na ano na may app ka na, 'di ba? May app ka sa GCash. Then i-dial mo yung number mo, i-register mo. Simple lang, guys, parang nag-sign up ka lang ng Facebook. And then pag okay na, kailangan kasi ng GCash na i-verify yung identity mo. So, kailangan mo i-contact yung GCash na support. Ito yung nakalagay dito para i-verify ka nila via video call. I think you have to wait for maybe siguro mga 12 to 15 minutes and then may isang agent na tatawag sa iyo. Be sure na naka-headset ka and be sure na ready ka dun sa mga IDs na i-present mo. Kasi nga importante 'yun kasi gusto nila na ilagay yung GCash name mo tsaka yung ID mo mag-match talaga. So, interview ko nila. So, ikaw ba talaga, example sa akin, ikaw ba talaga si Jake Ayano, yung date ng birthday mo, and then, yun, i-confirm lang nila. So, yun ang mga steps na to have a GCash. Then, pag ma-approve ka na, i-send nila yung GCash card mo, which is yung parang ATM mo. And then, siguro abot yan ng mga 2 weeks. Then, after that, you can use your GCash. Same thing will happen with Paymaya, but Paymaya is wala na silang video call, wala na silang interview. You can use this As long as you register same din, you can download the app, search for Paymaya, and then yun, i-follow through mo lang, mag-sign up ka, and then i-tap mo lang yung mga dapat mong i-fill up ng mga information. But I would really suggest guys na kung ano yung email address mo, same din yan gamitin mo sa mga GCash saka Paymaya mo, at saka yung real name mo dapat magpareho talaga lahat para wala ka talagang problema. Okay, so yan ang Paymaya natin. So GCash and Paymaya and your local bank. Tool number 4 is create your PayPal account. So ano ba yung PayPal account? Ang PayPal account is an online financial service that allows you to pay for items using a secure internet connection. Or in other words, this is where freelancing websites and clients will pay you. So dito ka binabayaran ng mga client mo. Para siyang parang pwede mo siya matawag na parang online bank kasi nga usually sa mga client natin, example if direct na client ka, and then ibigay sa iyo ng client ang sweldo mo, sabihin nila, "Oy, Jake, what's your PayPal account so I can send your money?" So, send mo yung PayPal email mo, yung example jakeayano@gmail.com, then yun na, isend nila doon, then makukuha mo na yung pera through PayPal account. So this is really important if you want to work as a virtual assistant or as an online freelancer, you should have a PayPal account. That's really mandatory talaga in working online. So how do we create a PayPal account? I'm gonna make a separate video sa PayPal account kasi nga medyo mahaba to na process. Kasi bibigyan ko kayo din ng mga tips kasi nga yung name mo talaga is the same with your email, parang gano'n, para to avoid any conflict in the near future. So gagawa ko ng separate video ito guys under this course. So let's proceed to number 5. Number 5 na tool that you need is yung money, or kailangan mo kasi ng pera to start with this service kasi sa virtual assistant. But if you have money na already, then you can skip this part na. Kasi nga, you need money to buy your laptop, your personal computer, or your bank account, di ba? Mag-set up ka ng bank account, and magpa-connect ka ng internet. So, you really need money. So kung tanong is, how much ba yung money na kailangan mo? How much money do you need to start working as a virtual assistant? So, I think the cheapest way to start is to start with a personal computer. Kasi nga, yung personal computer, di ba, mas cheap lang siya. And you can have all the specs that you want, and it will work. The personal computer that you will buy, I think it will work for the next 6 years, 7 years. Depende rin sa pag-maintain mo. And then I would really recommend, kung medyo tight yung budget mo, is to choose na lang sa personal computer. So ang worth ng personal computer natin is maybe around 18,000 pesos. And sa webcam at saka headset mo, since wala siyang built-in, I think nasa 1,500 yan siya. Or maybe 1,000 pesos lang pag makalas ka. Or maybe if may mga kilala kayo na nagbebenta ng mga personal computer na mabibili nyo within siguro mga 10,000 pesos lang or 15 pesos, then that's a good thing na makalas kayo. So next is ano pang dapat natin gawin? Bilhin. So yung internet connection natin. Let's say for example, yung pinili mo is 1,500 per month. Usually sa installation fee natin, nagbabayad tayo ng mga more or less 2,000 pesos. So ilagay natin dyan na 2,000 pesos lang. And then yung monthly na internet connection mo is abot ng siguro 1,300 to 1,500 or 600. Depende sa plan na kukunin mo. O ano pa. Next is siguro bank account. To start with, to start having your bank account, siguro abot din yan ng 500 pesos. Kasali na dyan yung mga lunch nyo. Kasi nga, parang whole day ka talaga mag-sign up for a new bank account. So, lagay natin yun ang total mo. 18,000 yung personal computer, 1,500 yung webcam tsaka headset. Yung internet connection natin is abot ng 1,500. Yung installation fee is 2,000 pesos. And then, yung bank account fee mo, siguro nasa mga 500 pesos. The total amount is nasa more or less 23,500 yung kailangan natin to start with this kind of service or business. Kasi nga, kung wala ka pang pera, kailangan mo talagang na mag-invest. So, ito yung nangyari sa akin eh. So, since wala pa talaga akong pera to start with, humiram ako ng pera sa mother ko. Humiram ako ng 20,000 pesos. And then sa 20,000 pesos, talagang pinag-cash niya ko ng personal computer ko, then yung internet connection, pinag-cash niya ko talaga yun lahat. So, nilagay na natin dyan mga 23,500 because yung 20,000 na amount, that was only 6 years or 5 years ago na. So, I think today, kung mag-start ka, kung brand new lahat ang pipiliin mo, I think more or less talaga below 25,000 pesos. So, paano mo kuha yung 25,000 pesos kung wala ka pa talagang pera? Is number one is mag-uutang ka muna. So, yeah, uutang ka muna or kung may magpa-swipe sa'yo ng credit card, then that's okay. And the good thing about this is pag maka-start ka naman ng work mo, mababayaran mo rin yan. Kasi nga may mga times din na kikita ka within a week ng 25,000, within a week ha, or lagyan natin within a month 25,000. So, for sure talaga, mababayaran mo yan in less than 6 months for sure. Next is yung 5 tools recap lang tayo guys. Ito yung 5 tools natin. Dapat number 1 is you should have your own laptop and computer. Importante talaga to guys. Hindi ka makapag-start ng online, hindi ka makapag-work as a virtual assistant kung wala kang laptop or computer. Dapat sa'yo talaga. And tool number 2 is you should have your own internet connection. Number 3 is you should have your local bank or may bank account ka talaga sa any banks that you like. And number 4, very important din to, PayPal account. You should have your PayPal account and I will make a separate video from making a PayPal account. And number 5 is money. Kailangan mo ng pera to start with to start with this kind of service. Pero kapag may pera ka na, then you can just simply skip this part. Okay, so part 2 is done. You can now proceed to part 3, but make sure before proceeding to part 3, dapat mo munang tingnan yung video na ginawa ko about sa how to set up your PayPal account. Okay, so that's it for this episode guys, this course. Thank you and see you on the next video.